Welcome to our video presentation on Dante AV-H, the latest technology in the world of audio and video solutions. In this video, we will be focusing on the Avonic CM93 DAV cameras, which are now equipped with Dante AV-H capabilities. Dante AV-H, developed by Avonic, is a groundbreaking technology that revolutionizes the way audio and video devices connect and communicate with each other. It combines the benefits of audio over IP and video over IP to create a highly efficient and reliable network for transmitting and managing audio and video streams. One of the key advantages of Dante AV-H is its ability to synchronize audio and video streams with extremely low latency. This ensures that lip-sync issues are a thing of the past, providing a flawless user experience. In addition, Dante AV-H offers unparalleled scalability, allowing for the expansion of your AV system without any hassle or additional infrastructure. The Avonic CM93 DAV cameras, already renowned for their exceptional image quality and versatility, now incorporate Dante AV-H, allowing for seamless integration with other AV devices and systems. With Dante AV-H, these cameras are capable of transmitting high-quality audio and video signals over a standard Ethernet network, eliminating the need for complex and costly cabling setups. The Avonic CM93 DAV cameras with Dante AV-H also come with advanced features, including automatic device discovery and remote control capabilities. These features significantly simplify the setup and installation processes, saving valuable time and resources. Another significant benefit of Dante AV-H is its compatibility with a wide range of AV devices from various manufacturers. This ensures that you have the flexibility to create a customized AV system that meets your specific requirements and preferences. To sum it up, Dante AV-H is a game-changing technology that enhances the capabilities of AV devices and systems. And with the integration of Dante AV-H, the Avonic CM93 DAV cameras have become even more powerful and versatile. Whether you are in the broadcasting, live events, or corporate industry, these cameras will undoubtedly elevate the quality and efficiency of your audio and video setups. Thank you for watching this introduction to Dante AV-H and the Avonic CM93 DAV cameras. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on the features and benefits of this cutting-edge technology. For more information about our products, please visit www.avonic.com.